Hi, my name is Brendan Port, and today we're making chicken enchiladas. For the ingredients, we have flour tortillas, 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, some enchilada sauce, red enchilada sauce. We have some bay leaves here, some garlic, 1 onion, and some salt and pepper. Alright, now that I've got my chicken in the pot, we're going to season generously with salt and pepper. Here's the salt. Here's the pepper. And now I'm going to add 1/4 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 bay leaves to my chicken. There we go. The next step was to add water about 1 inch above our ingredients. I have done so. And then next up, we're going to bring this to a boil and then reduce and simmer for about 20 minutes. I'll see you there. Alright, now we've got it to a boil, and we're going to reduce this to a simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now our chicken is done simmering. It's been 20 minutes, so now we're going to put it on a plate, wait 5 minutes, and then shred it. Alright, we've taken the chicken out, and now we're going to shred it. Alright, I've shredded the chicken. It's right here, and I already have my 1.5 cups, so let's move on to assembly. Alright, for the next step, we're going to use our shredded chicken, 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce, so not the whole thing yet, and then some salt and pepper. We're going to make our enchilada filling. So first we have our chicken, goes in the bowl. Next up we have our 1/4 cup enchilada sauce. Carefully. There we go. And then that was a little loud, sorry. We're going to season with some salt and pepper. Alright, now we're going to microwave our tortillas. An executive decision was made. They were too large before, so we got new ones. We're going to microwave them for 30 seconds, flip them, and then microwave them for 30 seconds again. So now we're going to fill the tortilla. So we got our chicken. Kind of some of that on there. You spread this out a little, because I didn't do that right. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to get some cheese. Spread that on there. Maybe a little more. Okay. Then we're going to roll this up and put it in the pan. There we go. Seam side down so that nothing falls out. There we go. There's our last one here. I'm going to roll this up. Seam side down in the pan. And make sure it's nice and tight. And hold on. Kind of messed up the folding. Alright, there we go. So now we have 1 3/4 cup. Yeah, 1 3/4 cup, I believe. Enchilada sauce. We're just going to pour this over the whole entire thing. There's one. It's on a plate so it doesn't spill anymore. Here is the 3/4. Kind of spread that out. Get some over there. Alright. And then we're going to have, hold on, let me just dry my hands real quick. We're going to have 1.5 cup shredded cheese, which is what we have right here. We're just going to kind of put this over the whole thing. So just kind of spread this out here. You don't have to be very exact. Alright. Now we are going to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. I will see you then. So the enchiladas are done. So let's see how they look. Oh, that's hot. Give me a second. Alright, here we are. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright, those are our chicken enchiladas. Yeah, there you go.